Welcome back to Tech Vibe. Today, we're diving deep into the newest MacBook Pro. Apple has once again pushed the limits of what a professional laptop can be. From design to raw power, this machine is built to impress, but is it really worth the high price? Let's find out. The MacBook Pro keeps the same sleek look we've seen before. It's made from solid aluminum. It feels strong and premium. It's not flashy, but it looks professional. The edges are smooth, and every detail feels refined. It comes in two sizes, 14-inch and 16-inch. Both look nearly the same, just scaled differently. The weight is well balanced. It's not the lightest, but it feels sturdy. You can carry it in a bag without worry. The hinge is strong. You can lift the lid with one hand, and it stays exactly where you leave it. It doesn't wobble. The keyboard is a joy to use. The keys feel soft but clicky. They respond well. You can type for hours without discomfort. The trackpad is massive. It's smooth, responsive, and very precise. It supports all the gestures macOS offers. Using the laptop feels easy and natural. There are plenty of ports. You get 3 Thunderbolt, 4 ports, HDMI, a headphone jack, and even an SD card slot. MagSafe charging is back. It clicks in instantly, and it feels satisfying. The magnetic cable helps prevent accidents. This mix of modern and classic ports is perfect for professionals. The display is stunning. Apple's Liquid Retina XDR screen is bright, crisp, and colorful. It uses mini LED tech, and it shows deep blacks and sharp contrast. It's ideal for photo editing, video work, or just watching movies. It supports promotion. That means the refresh rate goes up to 120 Hz. Scrolling feels smooth, and animations look fluid. The colors are very accurate. It covers the P3 color space and supports HDR. The bezels around the screen are thin, but there's still a notch at the top. It houses the 1080p webcam. It might not be everyone's favorite design, but you get used to it. The webcam quality is solid. It looks clear, even in low light. Great for video calls or meetings. Performance is where this MacBook Pro shines. Apple's M3 Pro and M3 Max chips are extremely powerful. They handle everything you throw at them. You can edit 4K video, render 3D models, run multiple apps, and it won't slow down. The M3 Pro is perfect for heavy multitasking. The M3 Max is even better for intense creative workloads. It's built for people who need top-tier speed. Even under load, the MacBook Pro stays cool. The fans are quiet, and the body doesn't overheat. The thermal system is well designed. You can rely on it for long editing sessions or coding marathons. macOS Sonoma runs beautifully. It's smooth, fast, and stable. The system feels snappy. Everything opens quickly. You get useful features like Stage Manager, Quick Notes, and Universal Control. If you're in the Apple ecosystem, it syncs perfectly with your iPhone, iPad, and Apple Watch. AirDrop, Handoff, and iMessage integration all work flawlessly. Battery life is fantastic. Apple says it lasts up to 18 hours. And that's not just marketing. Even with demanding tasks, it holds up well. You can easily get through a workday without plugging in. Watching videos or doing light work stretches the battery even longer. When it's time to charge, MagSafe powers it up fast. You can also charge with USB-C if needed. This MacBook isn't a gaming laptop, but it can still run games. Thanks to the M3 chips and Metal 3 support, titles like Resident Evil Village or No Man's Sky look great. It's not for hardcore gamers, but casual and mid-tier games are playable. Apple is also working with game developers more, so gaming is improving. For creators, this laptop is a dream. Video editing in Final Cut Pro is lightning fast. You can preview, edit, and export without lag. Programs like Adobe, Photoshop, Lightroom, and Logic Pro run smoothly. 3D rendering apps also benefit from the power of the M3 Max chip. It's one of the best laptops for creative professionals. The speakers are incredible. You get a 6-speaker system with force-canceling woofers. The sound is full, rich, and loud. There's clear bass and crisp highs. Whether you're watching videos or editing sound, the audio quality stands out. The microphone array is studio quality too. Your voice sounds clear during calls or recordings. Connectivity is top-notch. Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 ensure fast, stable connections. You can transfer large files quickly. Streaming and online meetings are smooth. The HDMI port now supports 8K displays, which is a nice future-proof touch. And the SD card reader is very handy for photographers and videographers. Let's talk price. The MacBook Pro is expensive. The base M3 Pro model isn't cheap. And the M3 Max version with lots of RAM and storage costs even more. But you get what you pay for. This is a powerful, premium laptop made for demanding users. If you're a professional who needs reliability and speed, it's worth the investment. Now, the pros. First, performance. The M3 chips are seriously fast. Second, the display. It's one of the best laptop screens available. Third, battery life. It lasts all day. Fourth, build quality. It's strong and elegant. Fifth, speakers and audio. They're some of the best in any laptop. And sixth, macOS. It's smooth, stable, and packed with smart features, but there are a few cons. First, the price. It's not for budget buyers. Second, the notch. Some people just don't like it. Third, limited gaming. While better than before, it still can't compete with Windows gaming laptops. And fourth, repairability. Apple laptops are not easy to upgrade or fix yourself. So, what's the final verdict? The new MacBook Pro is one of the most powerful laptops you can buy. It's perfect for professionals, creators, and anyone who needs serious performance in a portable form. The design is solid, the display is beautiful, and the battery life is amazing. It's expensive, but if you rely on your laptop for serious work, it delivers incredible value. If you're upgrading from an Intel MacBook or an older M1, this is a huge leap forward. The M3 Pro and M3 Max chips make everything faster, cooler, and smoother. If you're already in the Apple ecosystem, this machine fits right in. And if you're switching from Windows, the MacBook Pro offers a stable, premium, and high-performing experience. This isn't just a laptop. It's a workhorse for people who demand the best. Whether you're a video editor, programmer, music producer, designer, or multitasking pro, the MacBook Pro with M3 is a top-tier tool built for your success. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. We'll be back soon with more honest reviews and deep dives into the tech that matters. See you in the next one.